Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Recently I've gotten quite a bit of attention on this video right here, the top 3 tricks to speed up your Firestick. If you haven't checked it out, make sure you check that out. It's over on Curiosity Cafe's channel. I have 2 channels, Mr. Curiosity and Curiosity Cafe. One of the big topics on this video was the Wi-Fi extender. Will it help me? How does it help me? How do I install it? What are the benefits? Is there really a speed improvement having one of these? We're going to talk about all that today. All right, the first thing we're going to talk about is what is a Wi-Fi extender. A lot of people refer to this as a booster, and there's some confusion with that. Some people bought these recently from that video here and thought that their Wi-Fi would be faster with this. Guys, you can't improve upon your Wi-Fi on your router. What this booster does is boosts the signal to further rooms. So if you have a larger house, you have to look at your actual router to see what the range of your router is. For example, my house is fairly large and this particular TV is in an upstairs far corner bedroom, furthest from the router, and I'm only getting 40 to 45-ish Wi-Fi speed in this room, but downstairs next to the router 300. So what this is going to do is this is going to allow that signal to be extended to this room, as this item will never increase the speed of your Wi-Fi ever, because it's going to take a signal, put it here, and then send it to your TV. If anything, it will diminish it slightly, but it really is a huge advantage if it is in a far room. So what we're going to do today is we're going to go through a series of tests. We're going to run a speed test as is right now without the Wi-Fi extender. Then we're going to do the Wi-Fi extender connected to, and we're going to be able to see the difference, guys. There's a big difference when you go from step to step to step. Then I'm going to share with you why I get such a big improvement and where I connect this and how to determine. Then at the end of the video, I'm going to share with you how to set this thing up. It's very easy to do, guys. That's why I chose this one right here. It's called the Rock Space one. There's others that are less expensive, but they're a pain to install. This one's easy. Click of a button, go online, put in a web address, synced, go. So let's do the speed test right now. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed that little speed test here. I wanted to run it 3 different ways. I wanted to do it just like it is right now. I wanted to do it with the Wi-Fi extender halfway in between the router and the TV, and then I wanted to do it with it in the same room as the TV. Without a doubt, same room was the way to go with one of these Wi-Fi extenders. You can run the same test if you want on your own, but I did this so you don't have to. So let's talk about which extender is best for you. It has to do with the range of your router. How many feet is your router good for? Some can be only 50 feet, some 300 feet like mine, some even 1,000 feet. You may not even need an extender. It probably won't make a difference if you have one of those really high-end routers or modems. Our router in particular does not cover our entire house. We have dead spots. We have slow spots. Example, this room right here, this upper corner office is without a question the slowest Wi-Fi in the house. Unfortunately, it's my office, so I have to deal with it, and a little extender like this made a huge difference. As you can tell, I can stream anything with that speed. That is a blazing fast speed for any kind of streaming. 4K. Heck, it even says 8K on the speed test. I don't know when I ever use that on a TV like this, but you never know in the future, and it's nice to have that option. All right, guys, so now that we know which one of these extenders is best for you, looking at the range number on Rockspace, there's a range number right here. So this one is 1200, which is the biggest range you can get. They have less expensive ones if you have a little bit of a smaller house. Now let's talk about how you install it. The reason I chose Rockspace over some of the other ones out there was how easy it is to set up. It literally is just plug this in next to your router. So let's just go through this really quick. Plug this thing right into an outlet right by your router, the closest outlet you can find to your router. I use the same outlet that the router's in. I plug it right in and I press this little button right here on the side. Hard to tell in the screen here. There's only one button on the thing. Press that button. Then you get your computer out. So I had my laptop with me on my lap next to this, and it gives you a little instruction sheet right here. And in this instruction sheet right here, it gives you a web address. So once you press that button, give it a few seconds, the blue light will blink. Once it's a steady blue light, then you're gonna put in a web address, and it actually gives you the web browser right here on this piece of paper. Once you do that, you connect to it, and then you set up a password. Then after you've done that, you wait until it says on your computer it's completed. It'll actually say successfully set up. Once that's done, you're good to unplug it. So unplug it from that outlet, bring it to the room that you want to use it, the room that gets the worst signal, plug it in an outlet next to it, and you're going to see incredible speed improvements on your Fire Stick or Android box or whatever device you're using. Heck, your computer, your phone, everything will work a little bit better in the room that has one of these Wi-Fi extenders. I love it. I use it. Without it, I would not be able to do some of the demonstrations that I do because it would buffer while I'm sharing it with you, and that just wouldn't work. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Hope you learned something today. The setup of it is actually really, really simple. Didn't take long to tell you about it. I could go through it and you could see me plugging in and all that stuff, but it's not necessary, guys. This is the easiest setup ever. If you get a different brand, I can't really help you because I know some of those are challenging. You have to put all kinds of codes in, and it's just not worth it. Get something simple like this. I'll put links in the description of this video as well as the comments section on the Wi-Fi extender if you want to get one of those. It's completely up to you. It may not be for everybody. Like I said, it doesn't increase the speed, only extends the range of your router that you have. So again, hopefully this helps you guys out. If you don't know how to get the description section of the video, it's very simple. Just click the title below the video and it opens right up like magic. It's fantastic. Boom. All the information. All my videos are that way. Whenever I talk in a video and talk about go to the description section, there's a link in the description. You got to click on the title of the video. If you're using a mobile device, on a computer, it's already there. You may have to see more or something like that, but on a mobile device or a tablet, click the title right below the video and it opens up. I'm gonna put the links down there if you wanna get something like this. I love it. I think it makes a huge difference in speed, stability. It goes from a poor to a very good signal strength. So again, thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget, I give away these. So I'm gonna give this one away once this video gets 1,000 likes. Thanks, guys. Bye. I just want to give a big thank you to those of you that took time out of your day to watch this video. If you'll do us a huge favor, if you haven't already done so, just hit that subscribe button right next door. And if you like this video and you want to see more, we have a video on the far side there we think you're going to love. Thanks again for watching our video. Bye.